Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so I am doing my first haul today. Um, my Home Goods just opened up in my area, and me and my girlfriend went this morning. Um, we literally arrived at 9, and there was already about 60, 70 people in front of us. Like, this lady told us that one lady arrived at 6:15 this morning to stand in line. Crazy. But needless to say, I just want to show you guys what I got. So this will be like a really cool haul that I hope you enjoy. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so let's be clear. I organize, I don't decorate. Decorating does not come easy to me. It's very stressful to really give your home, like give my home like a real look. Like I am on Pinterest all the time trying to just find like my vibe. Like you show me a decluttered closet, I know exactly what to do. I know what you need, yada, yada, yada. But when it comes to colors, patterns, things of that nature, I am not good at that. So my girlfriend, her and I, whenever I have like design questions or just looks, she is my go-to person. And I really, really love, her home. It's absolutely beautiful. So, I go to her with a lot of my questions and stuff like that. So she went with me this morning. So she saved me from a few purchases because she was looking like, Naja, no. She was like, absolutely not. She's like, that does not go. And I was like, why? And she explained it to me and it made sense. So I did go this morning with the list of the areas that I am trying to, refresh, decorate, and things of that nature. So I'm gonna show you guys the picture of the built-in that we had built in and installed literally a week before everything shut down. So I never got a chance to style it and put things in it. So that was one of the areas that I wanted to shop for today. I wanted to shop for my dining room. It's actually my husband's office right now, but I just, whenever he goes back into the office, I just want to have the stuff ready to do the dining room because, that was the project that I was also working on before everything shut down. I already had the side buffet that I knew I was getting. I just really needed the wall art, but I couldn't find that today, but I found some other stuff for the tables and stuff like that that I'm gonna show you. And what else did I wanna do? Oh, our living room, our family room and things like that. I wanted to get some stuff for in here. And yeah, so let me just show you. All right, so let's start with the first thing. This is simple, but I slept on these. Candles. Oh my God. This thing smells amazing. It is Wild Bluebell. Natural. Like the company is natural. Yo. This joint right here is everything. Oh my God. It smells so good. I cannot wait to light this. This was $6.99. Now, Home Goods had a lot of stuff for clearance, but it was like outdoor stuff. That wasn't what I was shopping for. So don't look here to be like, oh, this was like a really, really good deal. Like a lot of my stuff was legit full price, but I was okay with it because I hadn't shopped since March. So I had money saved. And then I had a store credit to Home Goods. So we'll get into it. All right. So I love their their bouquets that they put together. This is artificial, but I just love how these look, and I already have a vase and stuff like that I'm gonna put it in. I got these. These are pretty long. This is gonna go in my entryway. You guys, I haven't done a house tour, and I probably won't do one because my house probably ain't gonna be done for like another 2 years, because we still have 2 more projects that we want to do. But anyway, so I have a really, really high ceiling. So I needed to make sure that I got something that, you know, gave it some height and stuff like that. I got 2 of these. If you guys don't know, blue, the shades of blue are my favorite color. Navy, turquoise, sky blue are my favorite colors. So that's kind of like some of the colors, well, majority of the colors in my house. But yes, I have 2 of these, and these were $20 a piece. And I think these are going to go on they're gonna go in the built-in. Let me tell you how much this stuff was. This was on clearance for $10. This was on sale for $11. And the candle wasn't on sale, it was $7. Okay, all right. I got these, they're so pretty. These are some chargers. Now, I really didn't want to spend $6 a piece because I needed 8 of them. But I said, you know what, Naja, go ahead. Just do your thing. You've been looking for some nice fancy chargers. Just do your thing, sis. Just go with it. So I have 8 of these. I needed a soap caddy thing for the sink, so I got this. This was $3.99. The chargers were $6 a piece. Isn't she cute? So I have 2 of these. These were $10 each, and I was really shocked that a lot of the pillows was on sale. Some of them are indoor, some of them are outdoor, but I was really shocked that the pillows, majority of the pillows was on sale, like 50% off. Okay. I got this. I got 2 of these. These were $14.99 each, and I'm learning, and you know, just through research and stuff like that, anytime you're trying to decorate a space, they say, you know, you should do buy in twos, just in case you want to put it on one side, you put it on the other. You could do the same thing but 2 different heights, especially when it comes to the built-ins. I think this is going to be on our built-in, so I bought 2 of those so that they can go on both sides. I have 2 of these. I just like how big they are. These were $25, not on sale. And I thought these were gonna go on the built-in, but now that I'm looking at them, they actually might be centerpieces that would go on my dining room table. That's how much I enjoy them. This is a runner that I got. Hope you can see it. Just something casual, just to put on the table. I don't know if I would put the charger with this particular runner, but you know, now that I'm about to get a side buffet, I'll have storage space in there, so I'll be able to, you know, you buy that cute little stuff, put it away, pull out something else. So I'm actually looking forward to just having this. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. This was $16.99. Don't judge me. Thank you. I got one of these. Honestly, they're just, it's an expansion rack. We grill 98% of the time in the summer, so I just thought it would be something good to have to, you know, when we do chicken and then, you know, burgers or whatever, yada yada yada. And it was only $3, so that was a good point. This is super cute. So this is a cutting board / strainer, and I love this because when I'm cutting my vegetables and stuff like that, you know, all you gotta do is just slide it in there, rinse it off, dump it, and then you keep it going. And this was originally $20 and it was $7. My cousin, she wanted one, but they didn't have any more, so I kind of felt bad. Okay, so here's something. Aren't these cute? These are super cute. So these are just some cups that I wanted to get for outside. We're not going back to work. At least I don't believe I'm going back to work until like September or so. So we'll be spending a lot of time in the backyard, in the pool and stuff like that. So I had already bought like, you know, plastic bowls and plates and stuff like that, but I had been needing some glasses. My son and my daughter, you know, just being able to take this kind of stuff out, and if it drops, it drops, it doesn't crack and stuff like that. So I bought 4 of these in this size, and then I bought 4 in the regular size, just the regular size cup. So this is cute, right? Super cute. Okay. Sorry y'all, position. Uh-oh, I'm not editing. Okay, I got some more pillows. These are, don't know where these are going. I don't know if they're going in my living room or my formal living room, but I love the color. Mauve is like my new twist, and it actually goes very well with the navy blue that I have, so I was happy about that. Hold on. More pillows. I got 2 of these. These are for sure going in my living room, in my family room, just because the pillows that are on my couch now, I've had them there since about 1.5 years, almost 2. So yeah, I'm tired of looking at them. It's really hard to buy pillows for my particular couch because the back is so high. So I can't do like, I can't normally do just these size pillows. I have to go extra large so that, you know, the pillow doesn't look so small. So it's always a struggle, 1, to find a color that I like, 2, to find a pair, and 3, yeah, just the price of it. So these were originally $25 and they were $18. Did I tell you how much these cups were? No. These were $6 for a set, and these were $2 a piece. Okay? And hold on. I got some cute glasses. Yes. So these were $3.50 for 8. So, you know, I like these. Super, super cute. Use them for whatever. Hangers. Could never have enough hangers. And in my closet, I stick with, or try to stick with, all one color. And I particularly love the velvet style hangers because your stuff does not fall off. It, you know, obviously it holds a good grip. So these were $3.50 on sale for, honestly, they were together. So I think it was like maybe like 8 or 10 that you got for $3.50. So I got 2 sets because, you know, you could just never have enough. And one last thing. This cutie. I love her. So I already have her here, but she needed her brother with her. When I purchased the first one, obviously, you know, with HomeGoods, as you guys all know, you know, there's sometimes never 2 of the same thing. And, you know, I made it do and made it work with the one that I had, but I'm almost certain where I want to put these in my house. So I'm excited to now have 2 so that, you know, it could be like kind of like complete in a sense. So that was my haul. And so my total, I should have really had my receipt prepared, but okay, so I remember the total. So the total was $4.24 for everything, but I had 2 credits for HomeGoods, so I wound up spending $2.75. So I was really happy that, you know, I had the credits. I'm really happy with my purchases. I feel like, you know, the things that I have can be multi-purpose. So whenever I get tired of looking at it on my built-in, I'm able to, you know, put it somewhere else in my house. My girlfriend is really trying to get me into embracing greens and things like that in your home, versus trying to put an actual color in your house. She was like, you know, just having greens in your house lightens it up, brightens it up. So I'm really looking forward to, you know, putting these things away and just seeing how the house looks. We've been in the house since March. I'm tired of looking at the stuff in my house, and I'm just excited to put some new stuff up. So I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the built-in, and I don't know if I'll show you what everything looks like once I finish, but I don't know, we'll see. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.